Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a little tractor wheel. What you need: a box from a pizza, some juice bottle tops, sushi bottles, and some red tops from the sushi bottles. The first thing to do, didn't take long to do it actually, cut a hole around the outside of the top from the fruit juice bottle, and then a piece of cardboard to glue on the back. Find the center, punch a hole, and put that red top through. That's the axle of the wheel. So glue it into shape with the PVA, and also glue around the sides with the PVA. I love PVA, it's non-toxic and it's really strong. The only thing is it takes a little time to dry. Next, what we do is we cut some strips going from thinner to thicker and twirl them up into a nice tight ball of cardboard. Dab a bit of glue all the way around and pull it tight so that the card gets really quite tight. Then, using a rubber on the end of a pencil, push that cardboard around till it all is nice and tight. Put a bit of PVA on top. Next, cut your bottle top from the sushi. That's going to be the hub of the wheel. And then get a few layers of cardboard and a leather punch or any other punch that you can find. And start gluing in the mini bolts of the hub of the wheel. Glue it down, and then a bit more PVA around the sides, and leave it all to dry and set. Next is more strips of card. This time keep them the same width, and cut 3 or 4 long strips. Measure out about 1 centimetre or half an inch for each length of card. Put your 3 bits together as one. Find a pair of scissors and cut. Actually, I forgot, but you need to cut on the angle. You need to cut one way square and the other side on an angle. And then you start layering in those lovely thick tires that tractors have. What I like to do is glue the middle in first using PVA glue again. Just let the center dry. And once the center's dry, then go around the edges with the PVA and bend the cardboard around into the shape of the tyre on the sides. And there you have it, a miniature wheel. Next, paint. Black acrylic, that's my favourite paint. It needs to be thoroughly painted into the wheel. And then the blue of the tractor for the metal bits, the centre of the wheel, paint that into, and there you are. You have a tractor wheel. I hope you've enjoyed that, and I shall be back soon for Murph's Models.